A big hello to all of you who are watching this live. And I know for a lot of us today, being Saturday, it is India and Pakistan, right? So India-Pakistan matches are something that I know nobody would want to miss. I'm sure that you are watching this live and you are able to hear me because this is the first time I'm using a mic to get in touch with all of you. Please let me know and put a thumbs up in the comments if you're able to hear me. Is everybody able to hear me? It's the new mic here. Okay, I'm waiting for all of you to just say a hello so that I know that you can hear me. Chalo, excellent. For all of you who are new and who don't know us, we are a beautiful, nice little company who have programs for intermittent fasting, who have programs for PCOS management, weight loss, and so on and so forth. My name is Khyati Rupani and I am a nutritionist by profession, practicing since 2004. Age calculate करने की कोशिश नहीं करना, but yes, these are questions that I love to answer, and today is an open house. So whether you are a client with us, whether you want to start a program with us, or whether you are just looking at nutrition advice, this is a good platform. अब क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स तो आने लगे हैं एंड क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स यहाँ भी है. आई हैव नोटेड डाउन ऑल योर क्वेश्चन आंसर्स एंड बिफोर आई स्टार्ट आंसरिंग योर क्वेश्चंस, मेरे पास ना आपके लिए एक बहुत बढ़िया टिप है. आप अब सारे ऑफिस जाने लगे हो. वर्क फ्रॉम ऑफिस इज बिकम समथिंग दैट आई थिंक यू नाउ कैन नॉट अवॉइड, एंड वर्क फ्रॉम होम इज बिकमिंग लेसर एंड लेसर बाय द डे. So when you are working from office, just like I am, what are the 3 ingredients or the 3 snack or the 3 superfoods that you can keep? This is what I'm going to show you today. At any point in time on my table, anybody who enters will see these 3 things, okay? Number 1, a fruit. My favorite is an apple. It is easy. I can just bite into it, throw the remnants in the dustbin. It gives me more energy than what I get from a cup of coffee. बिलीव मी और नो, एक एप्पल आपको कॉफी से ज्यादा जगा सकता है. सो ऑलवेज मेक श्योर दैट इन एंड अराउंड योर टेबल, इन योर ड्रॉवर, आपके पास एटलीस्ट 2 एप्पल्स हो. इट इज इवन सेफ फॉर अ डायबिटिक इफ यू आर लुकिंग टू लूज वेट. बिफोर यू क्रैप विद दैट बिस्किट और बिफोर यू गो फॉर दैट कुकी, मेक श्योर यू हैव दिस ऑन योर टेबल एट ऑल टाइम्स. जब मैं बहुत मोटी थी, फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू हु डोंट नो, well, let me tell you that I was somebody who was weighing 99 kilos and today the weight is at 58 kilos. So when I was weighing that much, imagine eating habits to kharab hogi hi, right? So with those bad eating habits, what does one do? One tends to munch. Who from here loves munching? किसी को munching की habit है, बस खाते रहो, चबाते रहो, खाते रहो, चबाते रहो. I'm going to show you what I eat and what I keep, okay? It's a little far. This is one dabba that is always with me. Can you see? It is nice, it is crunchy, high in protein, 0 fat, and I eat at least 2 handfuls of this during the day instead of eating rubbish. So सबसे पहले आपको ये रखना है, उसके बाद आपको ये रखना है. All of you love to have tea, all of you love to have coffee, but you know what I like to have? I like to have clear tea. ब्लैक टी हो तो भी क्लियर हो, ग्रीन टी हो तो भी क्लियर हो, एनी टी दैट यू आर हैविंग, ओके. आई वुड सजेस्ट यू एड दिस टू योर टी एंड कीप दिस. इनफैक्ट थोड़ा दूर है आज सब. दिस इज समथिंग दैट यू शुड कीप एज नंबर 3. सो एप्पल्स, चना एंड सम हल्दी. ऑलवेज मेक श्योर दैट कुछ भी अगर आप गर्म पी रहे हो ना, you have to add at least 1/4 of a teaspoon of haldi powder. Haldi powder क्यों? It is excellent for inflammation, allergies, immunity. It also gives you fat burning properties. So make sure these 3 things are always there on your table. अपने टेबल पे ये रखना ही है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, ये हमेशा भरा होना चाहिए. और जब तक आप दिन में ये 3 बार ना भरो, ओके, दैट डे कंसिडर इज नॉट द आइडियल डे फॉर वर्क फ्रॉम होम फॉर यू. अब शुरू करते हैं हमारे क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स. We had put up a query yesterday on intermittent fasting, right? So intermittent fasting program को लेकर काफी queries आए हुए हैं, and queries also have come for something which is very very common, which is post pregnancy weight loss. तो शुरू करते हैं post pregnancy weight loss की queries से, and then let's move on to all the queries that you have regarding fasting, okay? So when it comes to post pregnancy weight loss, क्या पोस्ट प्रेगनेंसी वेट लॉस करना चाहिए? यस. कब से करना चाहिए? ए क्वालिफाइड न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट कैन टेक केयर ऑफ यू फ्रॉम द सेकेंड डे ऑफ योर डिलीवरी. ओके, सबसे पहले तो आप ये जान लीजिए कि द क्वालिटी ऑफ our work when we were living in the 1960s and 50s, and the quality and the amount of work we do now is very different. तब ना लेडीज जो है वो खुद अपने कपड़े धोती थी, वो बहुत सारी चीजें करती थी इन टर्म्स ऑफ आटा तक. देयर यूज्ड टू बी चक्कीज एट होम वेयर द वुमेन यूज्ड टू मेक देयर आटाज. दे यूज्ड टू वॉक माइल्स टू गेट देयर वाटर. Okay, so daily tasks were very, very strenuous. That is why you have old ladies who still are healthy at the age of 70, 80 and 90. When it comes to us, okay, what do? We have now no physical activity as such. We have a lot of mental activity that we do. So हमारे लिए all the other things don't matter when it comes to ghee and laddus and all. वो खाते इसीलिए थे because the lady at that time needed that energy. Galactogogues is the scientific word which helps in breastfeeding and quality of milk. Galactogogues क्या है पता है? Galactogogues are methi seeds. Galactogogues are garlic. Galactogogues are haldi, shatavari, ashwagandha. All of these can be added in your diet. एंड फॉर यू, अगर आपको हेल्दी रहना है आफ्टर योर बेबी, आपको एक डाइट प्लान इमीडिएटली शुरू करना चाहिए जहां योर प्रोटीन इज टेकन केयर ऑफ. बिकॉज पोस्ट प्रेगनेंसी वेट लॉस काफी होगा, सॉरी हेयर लॉस काफी होगा. पोस्ट प्रेगनेंसी स्किन ऑल्सो विल गो थ्रू अ टॉस बिकॉज योर हॉर्मोन्स आर ऑल कमिंग डाउन एंड adjusting. So make sure that you are a woman who lives in this century, who lives in 2023, 2024, and that is how you will lead your life. A qualified nutritionist lena, your diet cannot be a weight loss diet. Your diet has to be nourishing. So yes, postpartum ke liye, if you have any queries, please feel free to DM us or please feel free to call us on 98204 55544. ओके, अब यहाँ पे काफी क्वेश्चंस ऑलरेडी आने लगे हैं, तो लाइव पे जो क्वेश्चंस है ना वो पूछ लेती हूँ. वी हैव अ क्लाइंट फ्रॉम लंडन सेइंग हेलो बैक टू यू एंड आई एम ग्लैड यू आर लिसनिंग. 69-year-old with chronic arthritis, do IF and how long? Well, Kotecha B, what I would suggest is अपने जो intermittent fasting के घंटे होते हैं ना, you do not decide them yourself. Take the advice first of a nutritionist and you can then plan out something which is sustainable. आपकी एज में intermittent fasting करना चाहिए? Yes. आपकी एज रूमेटॉइड आर्थराइटिस में फायदा आएगा with intermittent fasting? Yes. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disease. Autoimmune diseases like thyroid, like all other disorders, get very good results if you are eating smartly. Okay, so make sure that you are contacting us and you are getting on a plan very nicely and very soon. अब अगर मैं आपको पूछूं, people are asking me कि पानी कैसा पीना चाहिए, ठंडा पानी पीना चाहिए, नॉर्मल पानी पीना चाहिए या गर्म पानी पीना चाहिए? Well, in that case, I would like to just tell you not to get into the scientific aspect of it. If you are somebody who likes sipping warm water, I like sipping warm water at all times, okay? I feel it helps me in clearing my stomach, it helps me with constipation, and मेरे पास access है क्योंकि मैं हमेशा kettle रखती हूँ ऑफिस में, तो warm water is something I enjoy. So if you are somebody who enjoys warm water, please have warm water. If you feel that having warm water or having ice cold water helps in weight loss of any kind, no, it does not, okay? It just raises your body metabolism a little bit for a very small time. तो उसको लेना देना कुछ नहीं है. But yes, अगर आपको नॉर्मल पानी पसंद है तो नॉर्मल पानी पीजिए. If you are somebody who gets bored of plain water like me, I have told you always कि पानी में ना कुछ डाल दो हमेशा. जैसे कि दालचीनी हो गया, you can also put a lot of mint leaves, you can put some chia seeds, you can put a lot of things in your पानी. Just make sure कि आपका पानी का जो requirement है ना वो हमेशा fulfill हो. Now I have a very nice question. Does a 15-hour fast help me lose fat and inches from my belly? Okay, सबसे पहले fat कहाँ से lose होगा is something that you should not bother about, because ऐसा कोई साइंस है ही नहीं. अगर आप बिलीव करते हो ना टमी टक्स में, और अगर आप आर्म टक्स में बिलीव करते हो, सॉरी टू ब्रेक दैट मिथ, बट इट डज नॉट वर्क. Okay, fat, the body is very intelligent and the body has its own way of dealing with fat. Fat goes from places where it is maximum, and a good nutrition plan makes sure that you actually are losing fat in a very healthy way. जब आप एक वेट लॉस प्रोग्राम शुरू करते हो ना, आपकी बॉडी, आपको समझना चाहिए, इज इनटू 3 पार्ट्स, वन मेजर 3 पार्ट्स. वन इज योर बोन वेट, वन इज योर वाटर वेट एंड वन इज योर मसल वेट. सो जब हम ये 3 वेट की बात करें, तो जो आपका प्रोग्राम शुरू होता है ना, द फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट यू विल लूज एक्सेस वाटर वेट. After that, you will lose excess amounts of fat, and in the bargain, you will be losing a little bit of your bone and muscle mass. वो गिवन है, आप रोक नहीं सकते, बट आप उसे कम कर सकते हो. तो हमें बोन्स और मसल बचा के चलना है, और हमें फैट और एक्सेस वाटर लूज करनी है. ये साइंस जो है ना, दैट ओनली अ क्वालिफाइड न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट कैन डू. So if you are wanting to do an intermittent fasting, or if you want to lose fat, go in a very systematic way and just make sure that आप यहाँ वहाँ का कुछ पढ़ के ना कर सके, कुछ ऐसे डोंट फॉलो एनी रबिश. इनफैक्ट मुझे ये भी बात करनी थी आप लोगों से, अ लॉट ऑफ यू नाउअडेज आर इंटरेस्टेड इन वेगन. वेगन खाने को लेकर बहुत सारी चर्चा हो रही है, वेगन खाने को लेकर बहुत सारा पॉजिटिव रिव्यूज आ रहा है. बट लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग, वेगन में as all other diets like vegetarian, like non-vegetarian, healthy foods भी है और unhealthy foods भी है. Most, like 99% of your alcohol is vegan. 100% of your potato chips, all your fried chips are vegan. Okay, so when you are eating something vegan, अगर आप एक vegan कुकी खा रहे हो, एक vegan बिस्किट खा रहे हो, अगर आप vegan चीज खा रहे हो, उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो हेल्दी है, उसमें वेजिटेबल फैट भर भर के पड़ा हुआ है. So before you choose to go vegan, please understand what it is and what it takes. Okay, हमारा दाल चावल, if the तड़का is given in oil, is vegan. हमारा इडली सांबर, okay, if used with coconut chutney, is also vegan. Okay, because Indian diet multiple amounts of time has been told that it is the most vegan friendly diet. पनीर अगर डाल दो तो वो नॉन वेगन हो जाता है. तो वेगन को लेकर ना, अगर आपको लगता है आपको वेगन होना चाहिए टू बिकम हेल्दी, that's not how it works. Okay, you will not lose weight being vegan, you will not become healthy being vegan. You just have to understand the right amount of food you have to eat and food choices. So I hope ये vegan का नखरा now I have reduced for you. Now let me talk about again one big deal, coconut. And अब नवरात्रि फास्ट आ रहा है, तो let me also give you a little bit of knowledge on what the foods that you are supposed to eat during that. अगर हम कोकोनट की बात करें, everybody is talking about the umpteen benefits of coconut. 100% true. कोकोनट में बहुत 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 न्यूट्रिशन है. कोकोनट इज वेरी हेल्दी, कोकोनट इज वेरी गुड फॉर योर हेयर, कोकोनट इज वेरी गुड फॉर मेकिंग श्योर दैट यू आर वेरी फिल्ड अप, यू आर नॉट गेटिंग हंग्री. बट अगर आपको वेट लॉस करना है, our goals define our food. You are, if trying to lose weight, then coconut is not your best friend, because coconut is जिससे ऑयल निकलता है, कोकोनट ऑयल, कोकोनट क्रीम, कोकोनट मिल्क is also vegan but very very high in fat. So make sure that you are not again understanding things half. Coconut is healthy, yes, but if you're losing weight, is coconut healthy? No. Okay, you have to eat it संभाल के, because उतना सा coconut, one serving of coconut, which is say suppose 2 teaspoons of that chutney, will end up giving you at least 100 calories and will end up giving you 7 to 8 grams of pure fat, which is something that you can compromise on. And I'll tell you, 100 calories probably is in this whole fruit, okay, which is 0 fat, and it will keep you full. आप ज्यादा खाओगे इसे ना. Imagine chutney and imagine apple. Volume of foods. So high volume foods, low calorie foods are great for your weight loss. Same applies to avocado. आप लोग अपनी स्मूदीज बनाते हो, आप लोग आजकल avocado toast खाते रहते हो. एवोकाडो टोस्ट लोग मंगाते हैं थिंकिंग ये हेल्दी है. नो, one avocado contains at least 200 to 300 calories and again 9 to 10 grams of fat. If you want to lose weight, that is not the right thing. Okay, so avocado is healthy, very good, yes, but avocado is something that you should eat if you want to lose weight? No. Same is with all your smoothie bowls. Smoothie bowl में आप nut milk डालोगे. Nut milk is not calorie free. Nut milk is not fat free. So when you are defining क्या खाना है, you have to define your goals. Okay. Does intermittent fasting help a person with PCOS? Okay. The science behind intermittent fasting. ये मैं काफ़ी वीडियोस में बोल चुकी हूँ, बट मैं एक और बार बता देती हूँ कि the Indian diaspora, Indian population is a population that is not supposed to be intolerant to wheat or lactose. हम हजारों सालों से एनिमल मिल्क पीते आ रहे हैं और हम हजारों सालों से वीट खाते आ रहे हैं. So if somebody tells me that you are wanting or you are avoiding lactose and gluten, I want to educate you कि ये मत करो, because अगर आप वो करोगे ना, it is not healthy because your body may not have that intolerance. Okay, if you want, you get tested. I understand मिल्क को लेकर बहुत सारी चर्चा होती है इंडिया में, सो आई विल नॉट फोर्स यू टू हैव एनिमल मिल्क बिकॉज येस आपको वो सोर्स पता होना चाहिए. अगर वो मिल्क में मिलावट है, अगर आप श्योर नहीं हो उस मिल्क के बारे में, अगर आपको लगता है कि यू वांट टू बिलीव इन द फैक्ट दैट काउज आर इंजेक्टेड विद ऑक्सीटोसिन, buffaloes are injected with oxytocin, then for those reasons, yes, you want to leave that milk away, leave it. But if you think that nahi, it is not good for your gut and all, no, I would not want you to believe that. Okay, थायराइड हो, PCOS हो, इनका ग्लूटेन और डेयरी से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. अगेन इट इज अबाउट हाउ योर बॉडी इज, व्हाट योर वेट इज, वेयर योर इम्यूनिटी इज एंड व्हाट योर गोल्स आर. ओके, सो मेक श्योर दैट ये सारा जो कंफ्यूजन पूरी दुनिया कर रही है ना, सी व्हाई विल आई डू एंटी लैक्टोज campaign? I will do it because I want to sell my nut milk. Those companies are pumping a lot of money into these videos. Why will I want you to be vegan? Because a cashew butter and a cashew almond butter company and all these companies want you to buy their food. So they are making sure that आपको ऐसे videos मिले कि आप बस यही खाते रहो और यही पीते रहो और उनका प्रोडक्ट खरीदते रहो. Okay, so be a little more wise in terms of understanding the very commonsensical aspect of your food. Now, whether it is PCOS or thyroid, intermittent fasting helps Indians and Indians all over the world because हम ऐसा population है ना जो खाता था sunlight और sunrise और sunset को लेकर. So इसीलिए हम summer में ज़्यादा खाते थे फॉर अ लॉन्गर टाइम. एंड क्या खाते थे? हम खाते थे वाटरमेलन, हम खाते हैं समर में लॉट्स ऑफ दही, छाछ, हम लाइट खाना खाते हैं. और अब विंटर आएगा ना तो हम खाएंगे मिलेट्स लाइक बाजरा विच आर नाइस एंड फिलिंग बिकॉज हमारा घंटा कम हो गया है खाने का. सो इन अ वे यू आर फॉलोइंग इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग ओनली एंड फॉर जेनरेशंस एंड जेनरेशंस. इसीलिए इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग इंडियंस को ज्यादा सूट करता है. Now, does it help hormonal imbalances? Yes, it does, because I'll tell you, simple non-scientific understanding is कि अगर आपको डेली पता चले आपकी स्लीप साइकिल, अगर किसी की भी स्लीप साइकिल एवरी डे इज सेम लाइक 11 to 7 और 12 to 8 और 10 to 6 और समथिंग लाइक दैट, then believe me, your body and you are extremely healthy. Same way, अगर आपकी eating rhythm एक है where you are eating, you're starting to eat at a particular time and you're ending to eat at a particular time, your body understands the importance of you not eating, and the repair work, the regeneration, all of that starts very, very, very nicely. So your body, when you are not taxing it with food and throwing food in it, is relaxing, is resting and healing. Okay, same way, now let me explain to you about all the foods that are supposed to be good but are not good if you want to lose weight. Now you are going to start a lot of Navratri food coming into your diets. Navratri में सबसे पहला चीज जो होता है ना, in our fasts however, we tend to eat a lot of extra carbohydrates in our meals because again इंडिया एक कार्ब ईटिंग पॉपुलेशन है एंड इसीलिए तब हमारी डाइट में बहुत सारा आलू आ जाता है, बहुत सारा स्वीट पोटैटो आ जाता है, बहुत सारा साबूदाना आ जाता है. Now I'm not a big fan of sabudana because I believe it is a little empty calories. Empty calories क्या है? Sugar, plain sugar is empty calories. Okay, this empty calorie, Pepsi, cold drinks, all your thumbs ups and all, they are empty calories. Sugar के अलावा उसमें कुछ नहीं है. Carbs के अलावा, starch के अलावा उसमें कुछ नहीं है. Rice is empty calories? No. Rice has B vitamins, rice में थोड़ा fiber है, rice has a bit of more nourishing food and more nourishing micronutrients than this. So is sabudana healthy? I would say avoid sabudana when you are doing your Navratri fast. अगर आपको भूख लगती है और आपको carbs खाने ही हैं, again go back to what I told you all the time. Make sure that you are eating a lot of fruits. Make sure you are living on charge. And if at all भूख लगती है ना, तो I would make you eat a big nice sweet potato which is boiled and sprinkle some pepper powder on it, sprinkle some lime on it, sprinkle kothmeer on it, avoid salt a little bit, and that's how you can make yourself an excellent food. I would also recommend that this is not the time to go crazy on milkshakes, go crazy on mithais, go crazy on makhana kheer and this and that. Please ensure that you are fasting and not feasting. अब आती है बात हमारे नट्स और ड्राइड फ्रूट्स की. किसी को नट्स और ड्राई फ्रूट्स के बारे में आई थिंक इतनी जानकारी इंडिया में अभी नहीं है. वी कॉल ड्राई फ्रूट्स एंड वी से व्हाट आर द ड्राई फ्रूट्स, कॉमन ड्राई फ्रूट्स. अगर आप कमेंट्स में लिखो तो आई विल प्रोबेबली बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. आप लोगों को पता है. नेम कॉमन ड्राई फ्रूट्स दैट वी ईट. कैन एनीबडी टाइप इन कमेंट्स में कॉमन ड्राई फ्रूट्स. Is kaju a dry fruit? What about badam? What about pista? Yeah, see, kaju, badam, everybody is writing those things. So I'll tell you something. Kaju, badam, pista, all of these, okay, are nuts. They are not dried fruits. Walnut, almond, they are nuts. Badam is a nut. It's not almonds, cashew. See, all of you are not understanding the importance. Now one person has written kaju, badam, pumpkin seeds, manuka, which is kishmish. No, again, see, anjeer aa gaya. Let's understand the difference between nuts and dry fruits, okay? Nuts are nuts. They are almond. They are a seed, okay? They are almond, they are walnuts, they are cashew nuts, they are pumpkin seeds. These are all nuts. They also have high calories, high fat. They are not high in sugar. Now, what is kishmish? What is anjeer? What is apricot? What are all these? These are all your dried fruits. They are fruits which are dried. अब अगर आप एक फ्रूट को ड्राई करोगे ना तो वो एक कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड बन जाता है सोर्स ऑफ शुगर. भले ही वो शुगर नेचुरल हो, बट दैट शुगर इज अगेन गोइंग टू कम इन द वे इफ यू आर गोइंग टू ईट अ लॉट ऑफ इट. सो नट्स आर वॉलनट्स. वॉलनट ऑयल निकलता है, कैशू नट ऑयल निकलता है, ग्राउंड नट ऑयल निकलता है. व्हाट एल्स? पिस्ता. All these have fat, okay? They are dense source of energy. तो अगर आप nuts pop करते जा रहे हो ना, you are in a route to put on weight and also fat. Are they healthy? Yes. But if you are mota and want to become patla, should you be adding them in your diet? No. Should it be added in the diet of a growing child? Should it be added in the diet of a fit person who is training every day, who is very healthy? Yes. बट अगर आप वेट लॉस कर रहे हो ना, और अगर आप एक स्मूदी बना रहे हो और अगर वो स्मूदी में आप डेट्स डाल रहे हो, बनाना डाल रहे हो, मिल्क डाल रहे हो, नट्स डाल रहे हो, तो दैट इट सेल्फ इज 800 कैलोरीज. और इफ यू आर वांटिंग टू लूज वेट, योर होल डे का कैलोरीज 1200 से 1500 कैलोरीज. हाफ योर कैलोरीज यू आर कंज्यूमिंग इन ब्रेकफास्ट. नॉट हेल्दी. गेटिंग इट गाइज? सो नट्स, हाई सोर्स ऑफ फैट, no sugar whatsoever. Dried fruits, concentrated form of sugar but not fat. So nuts or dry fruits are very different commodities. I'm sure you all understood. Am I making sense, guys? Are you all able to understand me? Put a thumbs up if you all are understanding me and if this is helping you. सो दिवाली में अगर आपको कोई शुगर फ्री स्वीट लाके दे दे, यू मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड दैट वो शुगर फ्री स्वीट भरी हुई है अंजीर से, वो शुगर फ्री स्वीट भरी हुई है खजूर से, एंड इट इज हाई इन कैलोरीज. If somebody is telling you that almond milk is cholesterol free, thumbs up. But almond milk is fat free, thumbs down. Okay? फैट दो तरीके का होता है, एक होता है कोलेस्टेरॉल एंड एक होता है प्लांट फैट. कोलेस्टेरॉल इज an animal product. Cholesterol is available in dahi, rasgulla, milk peda. It is available in your milk, animal milk. It is available in anda, paneer, all of those things. So if somebody is telling you almonds खाओ because almonds cholesterol free है, of course cholesterol free है, but क्या वो fat free है? उससे oil निकलता है. Okay, ghee is something that has cholesterol coming from animals. Does it make almonds healthy and does it make your ghee unhealthy? No. Everything in our life is about where your health is. अगर आप, अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू, अगर आपको कोई हार्ट डिजीज है, अगर आप ओवरवेट हो तो आप ये नहीं खा सकते. अगर आपको एक दूसरा गोल है, वेयर यू आर पुटिंग ऑन मसल और वेयर यू आर ट्रेनिंग और वेयर यू आर अंडरवेट और वेयर यू हैव अ ग्रोइंग चाइल्ड, उनकी डाइट में ये सब डल सकता है. I hope we are clear about nuts and I hope we are clear about dry fruits. I hope we are clear about vegetable fat, which is high in fat, which is oils, and the other one which is animal fat, high in cholesterol. Okay, so if you tell me कि मैं ये बंद कर दूं, मैं ये बंद कर दूं, at Balanced Nutrition we do not say no to anything. Okay, so अगर आपने nut milk शुरू किया है because you want to lose weight, it is not the greatest of things to do. All right. So now I think आज बहुत सारी food companies are not going to like me. Can I eat sweets and fried foods during my eating period when I am on intermittent fasting? Okay guys, intermittent fasting जादू की झप्पी या जादू की छड़ी नहीं है guys. Intermittent fasting is something that you follow principally, and आपकी जो eating window है ना, that is what I tell everybody, that intermittent fasting में आपको सिर्फ अगर कोई ऐप ये दे रहा है ना कि आपका fasting hour, hey your fasting hour begins and hey your fasting hour is over, that is rubbish. What you eat during your eating window also matters. Okay, आपको अगर goal है to reduce your blood sugar, to reduce your weight, as per that goal a proper diet is planned. So अगर you enroll for Balanced Nutrition intermittent fasting program, we pick up a fasting hour for you, yes, but along with that आपको at least 1000 questions पूछेगी आपकी डाइटिशियन. आप खाते क्या हो, सोते कब हो, मेडिकल इश्यूज, एक्टिविटी, घर पे खाना कौन बनाता है, आपको कौन सी क्यूजीन अच्छी लगती है, आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है इन टर्म्स ऑफ फूड, व्हाट इज इट दैट यू हेट, आपकी लोकेलिटी में क्या मिलता है, एंड 100 अदर क्वेश्चंस आर आस्क्ड. After that, a diet plan is given to you on what to eat during your eating window. So please don't misunderstand the whole concept of fasting. Okay, there is one question which I really wanted to address. Does intermittent fasting, एक second, will it help me with my allergies and inflammation? अगर आप इंडिया के कोई मेट्रो में रह रहे हो ना, तो आपको बिकॉज ऑफ पोल्यूशन, और अब तो विंटर, मतलब हमारे यहाँ वैसे विंटर होता नहीं है मुंबई में, बट वी लाइक टू बिलीव दैट विंटर आ रहा है. इन लॉट ऑफ इंडिया विंटर में ना ट्रैफिक एंड पोल्यूशन की वजह से स्मॉग हो जाएगा, बिकॉज ऑफ विच यू विल हैव माइनर थ्रोट इशूज से लेके लॉट ऑफ एलर्जीज विच इज जस्ट गोइंग टू स्टार्ट. If you are on a good plan which has immunity boosters, you will give 100% of your entire energies towards following this plan. I can assure you and promise you आपकी सारी allergies और आपका सारा inflammation अच्छे से manage हो जाएगा. You have to understand all kinds of allergies and inflammations are because of a weak response to the external environment. और अगर आपको healthy रहना है, in fact staying in a country which is emitting a lot of pollution, you tend to fall sick. Okay, Yeah, thyroid. Yeah. There is one more question that can you use, हाँ, can thyroid patients do intermittent fasting? अगर कोई भी थायराइड वाला बंदा ये बोल रहा है ना कि वो वेट लॉस नहीं कर सकता, वेट लॉस मुश्किल है उसके लिए बिकॉज ही हैज थायराइड, नो इट्स रॉन्ग. Thyroid and PCOS both, you can easily lose weight. All you have to do is go to the right dietitian and you have to just make sure that you are listening to her, following things. It is not about dairy छोड़ दो, gluten छोड़ दो, ये छोड़ दो. Very soon people will say जीना छोड़ दो. Okay, no, that is not the way. Now there is one offbeat question, ma'am, out of topic, but want to know which kajal you use. This kajal is kajal from Bobbi Brown, and the eyeliner is from Lakme. Okay, so I hope that answer helps you. There is one more question. What about yes, what happens if I stop losing more weight? तो मतलब basically यहाँ पे ये plateau की बात कर रही है. What happens if we plateau during intermittent fasting? If you plateau during any program or during your weight loss, सबसे पहले तो ये जानना जरूरी है कि क्या ये plateau सही है. Okay, if this plateau is really a plateau, या फिर डाइट कर करके आप थोड़ी बोर हो चुके हो and you are taking some liberty to just ईट अप दैट लिटिल छोटा चॉकलेट जो पड़ा था, या आज आपने डाइट के हिसाब से नहीं बट अपनी अकल के हिसाब से खाना खा लिया, आज आपने थोड़ा कम वर्कआउट कर लिया क्योंकि आपको फिल्म देखने जाना था, या टुडे यू वर जस्ट बोर्ड सो दैट इज व्हाई यू डिड नॉट हैव योर सुपर फूड और समथिंग लाइक दैट. So is the plateau caused by you and because you are bored or no, is something we ask first. We ask all our questions and then we motivate you. If you have plateaued genuinely, okay, so genuine plateau जो होता है ना, वो plateau break करने के लिए there are various amounts of tools that are scientifically used. Okay, so these tools are available at BN. Make sure that you take a look at the plateau breaker program and consult one of our teammates. Can we consume amla juice and aloe vera during the fast? During the fast, you cannot consume anything that leads to digestive system being troubled. Period. So आप green tea पी सकते हो बैग निकाल के, आप black tea पी सकते हो, आप पानी पी सकते हो, आप infused water पी सकते हो without chewing on the foods that you have infused it with. आप बाकी सारा कुछ कर सकते हो which आप छाछ नहीं पी सकते. Coconut water, okay, I'm not a big fan because it has glucose, it has sugars, it will again kickstart the digestive system. So stick to only your green tea, hibiscus tea, spearmint tea, add a drop of lime अगर आपसे वो taste बर्दाश्त नहीं होता. Hibiscus tea is also good. Anything that is clear liquid. Okay, काफी सारे questions आए थे on they getting bloated and gas. तो अगर आप intermittent fasting कर रहे हो और अगर आपको initial days में गैस हो रहा है ना, तो दैट गैस इज योर बॉडीज रिस्पॉन्स टू हाउ बैड योर डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम इज. लेट द सिम्टम्स रिलीज. लेकिन अगर आपको इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग करते हुए समय हो चुका है, यू आर समथिंग दैट इज आई मीन दिस सिम्टम्स आर समथिंग दैट आर ट्रबलिंग यू फॉर लॉन्ग, देन इन दैट केस आई वुड से आपकी जो डाइट है ना वो आपको एक बारी चेक करनी चाहिए. If that diet has excessive amounts of fiber, if that diet is not suiting you in some way, your dietitian is supposed to correct it. But yes, initial days के बाद it is not okay for you to feel bloated or gassy. कभी कभार because of disturbed sleep अगर हो जाए तो ठीक है, but otherwise no. One beautiful question has come. मुझे बहुत सारी स्वीट क्रेविंग्स होती है, मैं कैसे कंट्रोल करूं? स्वीट क्रेविंग्स बिलीव मी मुझे भी बहुत होती थी एंड अभी भी काफ़ी होती है, स्पेशली व्हेन आई एम जस्ट नियरिंग माई पीरियड्स विच इज़ PMS जिसे कहते हैं. माई फेवरेट वे टू कर्ब माई क्रेविंग इज, आई एम सॉरी बहुत रिपीटेटिव हो रहा है, बट 2 slices ऑफ दिस. इफ आई ईट 2 slices ऑफ एप्पल एंड अगर मैं उसमें थोड़ा सा सिनेमन पाउडर छिड़क दूँ, दालचीनी पाउडर, माई स्वीट क्रेविंग्स आर आंसर्ड वेरी वेल. अगर आपको स्वीट क्रेविंग हो रही है और अगर आप सीधा एडवांस्ड कंट्रोल पे नहीं आ सकते विच इज एप्पल, माई अदर फेवरेट इज अ रसगुल्ला. Rasgulla is nothing but paneer. It is not fried. It is lower in calories than all your other sweets available. all you have to do is make sure you squeeze a lot of excess amounts of sugar and pop in half a rasgulla. It is going to solve a lot of your craving issues. Abhi to khair, you will get grapes also, you will get oranges also. It is a beautiful, I would say it's a beautiful season jo ab aa rahi hai for your fruits. You will also get a lot of pineapples. Okay. There was one question. I will just scroll up again and see if I can answer that. I am planning to eat only fruits during Navratri days. Will it cause acidity and gas? As a dietitian, I am not a big fan of, let's say, anything that is removed from your diet. You cannot remove a particular food, or you cannot remove a particular natural food group. Yes, remove your chips, food group hai hi nahi wo. Remove the junk that you are eating, remove all the rubbish you are eating. But I would say that if you are doing it for religious reasons, great. If you are not, then plain fruits is not the answer. आपको थोड़ी सी प्रोटीन आपकी डाइट में डालनी चाहिए. You can have छाछ, you can have low fat dahi, you can have milk, and in that you suppose add a little bit of fruit. You can have dahi, you can have half a boiled sweet potato, and we are good to go. मुझे एक और क्वेश्चन एड्रेस करना है. अच्छा, ब्लैक कॉफी somebody is asking, can they have during the fasting period? Yes. Can you have coconut water? Again, I refused. No, don't have it. I was getting into the battle of potatoes. Are potatoes healthy or no? And why is it that we don't add potatoes to your diet? Okay, potatoes in India are eaten as सैंडविच के अंदर पटेटो. हम समझते हैं पटेटो एक सब्जी है. रोटी के साथ आलू की सब्जी, चावल के साथ सूखे आलू, एंड उसके साथ थोड़ा दही, दाल चावल आलू, राइट. हमारे यहाँ आलू इज कंसिडर्ड एज अ सब्जी, बट एज अ न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट इफ यू आस्क मी, aloo is not sabzi. Okay, same battle is with corn. Let me give that to you. But aloo ke liye I will just tell you very very strictly that aloo, consider it as a grain. Forget anything else in terms of science. आलू इज वन ग्रेन. अगर आप कॉन्टिनेंटल मील खाते हो, आपको ग्रिल चिकन मिलता है, मैश पोटेटो मिलता है, और वेजिटेबल्स मिलते हैं. प्रोटीन, वेजिटेबल्स एंड योर कार्ब्स. ओके, सो if you are, I think with mashed potato they have options like potato wedges, they have boiled potato, some of them give you an option of quinoa, and some of them give you an option of rice. Consider that as your cereal serving. हम लोग आलू पराठा नहीं बना सकते, हर चीज में हम लोग आलू फ्राई नहीं कर सकते. That is what we want to stop. So if you ask me, would I like a roti sabzi or would I like aloo and dal for my khana? Boss, I will like to eat roti sabzi. I will like to eat chawal. So rotis, chawal, millets, grains are all something that will keep you full for a longer time. Okay, so aloo is something that you have to avoid only because it is not unhealthy or something. It is one of your grains. Same is with corn. हम सैलड में आपको कॉर्न डालने से थोड़ा रोकते हैं because corn again is something that comes, it's a mixed. fresh corn सब्जी बन सकती है, but corn is a grain again. US जाओगे ना तो आपको मीट मिलेगा, आपको एक कॉर्न ऑन द कॉब मिलेगा, और आपको वेजीज मिलेंगे. इट्स अ कार्ब. सो इजी पीजी. अब पता चल गया. डोंट विलेनाइज देम. वो विलन नहीं है बेचारे, बट दे आर नॉट द सब्जी दैट इंडियंस ट्राई टू ईट इट. लाइक dates. Can dates be eaten when you are craving for sugar? Dates are healthy. Yes, dates are something that you should eat if you want to lose weight. Every day, no. मैंने आपको dried fruit समझाया, right? It is high on natural sugar. तो initial days में ना हम clients को देते हैं dates because I don't want, or our team does not want कि from eating lot of sugar the client jumps to zero sugar. वो फिर control नहीं होगा client से. So धीरे धीरे we go and we just say no to dates, but again they are something that cannot be pop. वो chocolate नहीं है. chocolate से एक और question यहाँ है, and that question is dark chocolate खा सकते हैं. यार डार्क चॉकलेट से ज़्यादा controversial item मैंने आज तक नहीं सुनी है. Everybody who tells you dark chocolate is very healthy, वो अपनी रॉ डार्क चॉकलेट को बोल रहे हैं. वो चॉकलेट जिसमें ना अभी मिल्क फैट नहीं ऐड हुआ है, जिसमें अभी शुगर ऐड नहीं हुई है, if you pick out the most famous chocolate brand we like, Lindt, उसकी आप 70% डार्क चॉकलेट की कैलोरी कंटेंट देखो, फैट कंटेंट देखो, और आप एक मिल्क चॉकलेट की कैलोरी और फैट कंटेंट देखो, दोनों सेम है. ओके, सो प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट डोंट गेट फूल्ड. डार्क चॉकलेट इज हेल्दी, बट कौन सी पता है जो फैक्ट्री में होती है ना, एब्सोल्युटली कड़वा, विच इज नॉट हैविंग मिल्क, फैट और एनी शुगर. प्लीज डोंट गेट फूल्ड, डोंट गेट फूल्ड, डोंट गेट फूल्ड, डोंट गेट फूल्ड. एक्चुअली हमारे प्रोग्राम में ना 3 महीने आपको ये बताते ही रहते हैं. वी कीप टेलिंग यू ऑल दिस इन टर्म्स ऑफ टिप्स, इन टर्म्स ऑफ ज्ञान बेट, और इन टर्म्स ऑफ वीडियोज लाइक दिस, just so that you realize, do not get fooled by things that are told to you आधा आधा. Things are very half in our country because हम बेच तो सब सकते हैं. Okay, that is not something that is having any regulations here. Preservatives के बारे में तो किसी को बात करनी नहीं है. In fact, you know what we'll do, guys? We'll meet again just before Diwali, where we will talk about preservatives in food and how they are harming us and harming your health. If I forget now, please remind me. Okay. Okay, we are having a lot of questions on Navratri. We will put up a Navratri plan for you on Monday. But whatever are your religious preferences, always make sure you stick to that. There are certain things before I say bye bye to you. I have 5 more minutes. तो अगर किसी को कोई questions है, guys, please पूछ लो हमें. In our comments also, we will put out our number. 98204 55544 is the number. We have a person who is talking about what to do if a person has late night routine. Okay, not a problem. We have many clients who work in a night shift and many air hostesses also who are our clients. वो अपना दिन और रात उल्टा कर देते हैं. Okay, अगर आपको ये लगता है कि because you are doing a night shift आप नहीं कर सकते डाइट, या आप ऐसा नहीं, नो, वी हैव अ डाइट प्लान जहां हम ब्रेकफास्ट, फर्स्ट मील ऑफ द डे, वी गिव इट टू द क्लाइंट एट 2 AM. ओके, देयर डिनर इज एट 6 AM बिकॉज दे स्लीप. ओके, हाँ, ब्यूटिफुल क्वेश्चन. हाउ हार्मफुल इज मैगी एंड रामेन? मैगी, रामेन, इंस्टेंट नूडल्स, ये सारी चीजें ना हमारी डिक्शनरी में किसी फूड ग्रुप में नहीं आती. It is made using the most pathetic ingredients. It is something that is highest level of horrible preservatives. It has something which can over a period of time give you tumors, cause cancer. It can give you all possible disorders that you don't want. So if you are eating it, please eat it to the minimal. If you want to eat it every day, God bless you. We have one question which is, I think, interesting. I think I'm 45 minutes on the live. I hope you all are not getting bored. Information is all good. You all are able to understand what I'm saying? Okay. This question is important. It is saying, what is insulin resistance? What is insulin? Insulin is one hormone that is helping each and every one of us in digesting the blood sugars and making sure that it reaches your blood to be able to used as energy. Resistance means the sugar that is in your blood is not getting captured by insulin and given to the body to burn off. Okay, so when you have insulin resistance, the blood sugar is not getting digested and outside of your body effectively. Cool. So that is the reason blood की शुगर हाई हो जाती है. इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस का सबसे बड़ा कॉज है ओबेसिटी. ओबेसिटी एंड ईटिंग जंक. ओबेसिटी मीन्स मोटापा. बहुत सारी स्टडी हुई है कि फैट अराउंड द belly fat is a big reason for insulin resistance. लैक ऑफ फिजिकल एक्टिविटी. हम लोग एक्टिविटी नहीं करते, हम लोग पूरा दिन बैठे रहते हैं, हम लोग अच्छा खाना नहीं खाते. That is considered as the second most important reason. And the third reason is not eating whole foods, not eating local. Vegan होके हमें नट मिल्क लेना है, हमें नट बटर लेना है, हमें फैंसी वेगन चीज़ें लेनी है, जबकि कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. Your own kitchen, if you eat in our traditional desi way, is fantastic. We have so many clients all across the globe who are also following our diet plan and who are making the best out of East and West. एक मील बना सकते हैं वो लोग. सो ब्रेकफास्ट एंड लंच इज समथिंग दैट हम लोग हेल्दी इंटेलिजेंटली मैनेज कर लेते हैं बिकॉज उनके पास कुकिंग टाइम नहीं होता है. एंड द डिनर इज अ वेरी हेल्दी हिंदुस्तानी डिनर. So you will make sure that, and India of course is the diabetic capital of the world. That is also because of our population, and that is also because हम बहुत अलग खाना खाने लगे. The worst things that add up is the pav, vada pav, pav bhaji. Okay, all these things, everything has bread, pav, biscuit, maida, naan. Okay, even that has a lot of maida. Somebody is asking me whether suji is good or whether poha is good. Well, I'll tell you one thumb rule, okay? आप अगर कोई भी खाना देखते हो ना, आपको ये याद रखना है कि ये खाना खाते वक्त how much effort are you putting in chewing that food, okay? If you see that अगर कोई well cooked खिचड़ी होती है ना, जिसका चावल पूरा गल चुका होता है, it's like almost like a soup. You don't even have to eat it, right? So anything that requires zero effort in eating, like suji, ओके उसका उपमा जो होता है ना, अगर वो वेजिटेबल्स नहीं डालो तो इट्स लाइक यू नो जस्ट स्वॉलोएबल. सो दोज थिंग्स विल रेज योर ब्लड शुगर फास्टर. सूप अगर लेना है ना तो खाओ अपना सूप. माई फेवरेट इज क्लियर वेजिटेबल सूप, और माई फेवरेट इज पालक सूप विद लॉट ऑफ वेजिटेबल्स, टमेटो सूप विद लॉट ऑफ वेजिटेबल्स. वेजिटेबल्स के साथ आई पुट इन अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ बॉइल्ड मूंग, स्प्राउट्स पड़ा है तो वो भी डाल देती हूँ. सो एनीथिंग दैट गेट्स योर सिस्टम चूइंग, जितना ज्यादा चूएबल. जूस पीना है कि फ्रूट लेना है, ओके आपको क्या करना है इन टर्म्स ऑफ यू नो स्नैक्स? chewing and chewing. This is going to make sure that your blood sugar is stable. Okay, so anything that is soft, anything that is refined, maida is refined, so no, don't have to have that. What about my morning tea with milk? Oh my god यार, मैं तंग आ चुकी हूँ ये सुन के कि चाय की वजह से आपका वेट गेन होता है. यू नो 1 cup ऑफ इंडियन मसाला चाय, द अमाउंट ऑफ मसालाज इट यूजेस इज अमेजिंग. हम दालचीनी डालते हैं, हम अदरक डालते हैं. नहीं डालते हो आपकी चाय में, प्लीज डालना शुरू कर दो. Any masalas that are whole, and you find dalchini, you find elaichi, you find long, you find pepper. Please add it to your adrak. Go ahead and make sure that you're making your tea with all this. Milk डालना है, please डालो. Full fat milk मत डालो. मिल्क को बॉईल करो, कीप इट फॉर 24 आवर्स. ऊपर वाला क्रीम हटा के यूज दैट, और यूज अ लो फैट मिल्क, any milk that you like, and please put that half teaspoon chini. I don't know if you like very sweet chai. I don't like my chai very sweet. Half teaspoon or less than half sometimes does it for me. But आप चाय के साथ, see that cup of tea is nothing. It is barely, even if you put lot of shakkar, it's barely 125 calories. What you eat with it matters. तो यार अगर चाय के साथ मठरियाँ खा रहे हो, then don't do that. That is the reason to gain weight. चाय के साथ biscuits is the worst combination to do. चाय के साथ चना ग्रेट, चाय के साथ नाश्ता ओके. डोंट गो फॉर ऑल दीज थिंग्स दैट फूल यू. सो आई हैव सीन चाय के साथ टोस्ट, चाय के साथ खारी, चाय के साथ खाखरा ले लो, चाय के साथ मखाना ले लो. Eat all that. So I hope that whole tea rubbish is cleared. Another rubbish that is going on is whey protein. Whey protein लेनी चाहिए या नहीं लेनी चाहिए? Well, I have started taking whey protein because by choice I'm a vegetarian. Not that I'm against non-veg or I have something to do with how the animal or the meat is. आपकी सोर्स अगर सही है और अगर आपको खाना है, प्लीज खाइए. I do not do it because I was brought up a vegetarian. So for me it is difficult to consume high amounts of non-veg because as a Gujarati I have not been able to handle that. So being a vegetarian and now in my 40s, I need that protein because I'm not getting that 65-70 grams of protein which I'm aiming for. So एक वे प्रोटीन उस तब लेना इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. बट इफ यू वांट टू टेक वे प्रोटीन, एडवाइस लेके लेना. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम योर प्रोटीन रिक्वायरमेंट विल बी मेट विद अ डाइट. ओके कूल. somebody is asking is good weight good means I think jaggery. Okay is jaggery good for your what do you say an alternative? No. 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon jaggery, 1 teaspoon maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of any sweetener, same calories, same glycemic index. It will raise your insulin, it will cause disturbance. So अगर आप गुड़ ले रहे हो और अगर आप ज्यादा लोगे गुड़ thinking it's healthy, again it is something that is very very wrong. गुड़ वाली कंपनीज को ऑर्गेनिक गुड़ बेचना है, इसलिए वो कह रहे हैं it's healthy है, हाँ है, but will it help you with diabetes or weight? नो. सो बी केयरफुल, बी वाइज. नाउ अगर शुगर की बात कर ही ली है तो लेट मी एड्रेस इवन योर शुगर फ्री क्वेरीज. I am not a fan of anything that is artificially available and made by man to consume for a longer period of time. Stevia naturally is available, but यार वो stevia अगर आप कौन से पेड़ पे चढ़ के लाओगे and all that, so I think you have to probably give up on that. Please have your regular chai with that little bit of sugar and you're good to go. Okay, small frequent meals लेना चाहिए. Again, this is a battle that I want to pick with all of you. Okay, अगर आपको if you are a body that you are made that way where you can survive and you are happy eating 3 meals a day, you have to tell your nutritionist that I am comfortable with 3 meals. We will make sure that we plan it in such a way that you are having 3 meals most of the time. If you are somebody who likes eating every 2 hours, like me, I like eating thoda thoda. It helps my digestion better. I don't bloat up. So I keep eating aise thoda, as I showed you, whatever is available. I keep eating bits of it and I am happier that way. Depends on you, depends on your body, and depends on how you and your digestive system are. Consult a nutritionist, please, before going for any diet plan which is not not made for you. Okay, PCOD वाले weight loss कैसे क्या खाना चाहिए? You have to talk to our nutrition team and get a very detailed diet plan that suits you. Okay, I think I've pretty much answered a lot of your questions. Let me see if I've missed any. Finally got the answer. Okay. You are what you eat. Yes, so don't be cheap, easy, fake. Correct. That's a very nice saying. Thank you. Yes, guys. Yeah, for milk and milk products, whether they should be consumed or not, keeping in mind buying. As I said again, guys, milk and milk products, meat, eggs, if you are comfortable with your purchase source, please go ahead and go for it. Okay, I think yes, I've pretty much answered every question. Yes, thank you so much. Yes, Kinnari is saying she's at pre-diabetic levels. No, the levels have come down. Yes, every single day at Balanced Nutrition is a good day because we keep getting a lot of good reports from all of you. Now, menopause and weight gain, guys. You all are not letting me go, na? I am, wow, lot of questions again. ठीक है. Menopause is a reality that we women need to start living with, and we need to start taking care of ourselves. By the time you reach 42, 43, 44, minor symptoms of perimenopause start. आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि ये कैसे हुआ, क्या हुआ, but yes, they do start. And when they start, weight gain थोड़ा सा होना लाजमी है because hormonal fluctuations होते रहते हैं. When somebody comes to us who is above 40 years of age, हमारी approach उनकी diet को लेकर थोड़ी बदल जाती है. I am a little more careful. The team at Balanced Nutrition of your nutritionists is very careful that हम ये 5 चीजें याद रखें. One is protein. Protein is a must when you are menopausing or in the perimenopausal stage. Second most important thing is your nutrition in terms of micro elements, calcium, okay, iron. Last but not the least, अब यहाँ पे what oil and fat you are using is also very important. And next is all your vitamins, which is the food group where your fruits, vegetables play a big role. So these are 5 components जहाँ पे हमारी आंखें बहुत minutely diet plan करती है ताकि आप लोगों को कोई symptoms ना हो. Okay, yes, Kinnari is again saying that menopause के लिए भी आपकी डाइट बढ़िया काम करती है. जी हाँ, यहाँ पे we take care that कोई ऐप, कोई डाइटिशियन हवा में बातें नहीं कर रही है. बहुत सारा स्टडी होता है फिर आपको आपकी डाइट मिलती है. इसीलिए ना when you are enrolling for our program, असेसमेंट के बाद I know आप लोग बहुत एक्साइटेड रहते हो कि अभी तक डाइट प्लान क्यों नहीं आया, और हम आपसे कहते हैं कि आपको हमें 2 दिन देने पड़ेंगे. यू गेट योर डाइट चार्ट एटलीस्ट 24 आवर्स आफ्टर यू गिव अस योर असेसमेंट, बिकॉज हम बहुत कोशिश करते हैं कि हम बहुत माइन्यूटली आपको स्टडी करें. एक क्वेश्चन है कि रात को अगर मंच करना है तो क्या खाए. मेरे अगर आप साइड टेबल पे देखोगे ना रात को, यू विल ऑलवेज फाइंड अ बिग मग ऑफ हर्बल टी. Okay, that herbal tea, you know what I make using one superfood? I think I should tell all the ladies. Do you know of this? Can everybody see this, guys? Do you know this is coriander seeds? In every Indian household, I think it's called dhania. Is it very clearly seen? Yeah, dhania. Can everybody see dhania? Yes. So this, okay, 1 teaspoon of this is put into a patila, okay, with 2 cups of pani, and I put it on a very slow gas. Let it boil. I also put in jeera, धनिया, जीरा and सौंफ. ये 3 एक चम्मच डाल के I keep ubaling or I keep boiling that water, okay, and after that I add half a teaspoon of haldi and I make a big mug. Okay, the mug is preferably this size, इतना बड़ा mug, okay, like इतना. I keep sipping on that. बहुत craving control होती है उससे. Second, if you are craving for something salty, keep this. ये वहीं से लाई हूँ मैं उठा के. And if you're craving for something sweet, then a fruit is the best choice. आजकल मेरे यहाँ ना आपको pineapple cubes मिलेंगे. Yeah, because pineapple also helps with beating the bloat. Okay. One more thing I wanted to show you, which is in my kitchen at all times, is ये चीज का पाउडर. यप, अगेन हाई प्रोटीन चना दाल से ही तो बनता है ना. दिस इज, इसको मिक्सी में पीस के आई हैव मेड दिस. ओके, इफ यू नो, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज सत्तू. एनीबडी नोज व्हाट इज सत्तू ओवर हियर? इट इज द हिंदुस्तानी प्रोटीन पाउडर फॉर ऑल सीजन्स. Sattu, correct. You powder this, keep this at all times in your kitchen. I always add this to sometimes ghar mein to make parathas, because this will give me extra dose of protein. I also make sure that isko I put it in a glass of water, or I put it in a glass of chaach. I put in a little bit of chaat masala, a little bit of amchur, a lot of coriander, and I have a very nice protein drink which is natural. Okay, yes, sattu ka paratha, that's right. So this is how you add your protein slowly into your diet without people even knowing it. Okay, one more thing I wanted to show you today is a very controversial. सत्तू का चिल्ला भी बनता है. अरे हर आटे में कभी कभी ना रागी का डोसा बनता है घर में. I even put 2 spoons into that, because for me it is very important. We being a predominantly vegetarian family, this comes into our diet. Okay, how much quantity of sattu you take at a time? 2 spoons. Okay, in that glass, 2 spoons. It's okay, it's amazing, don't worry about it. Now I'm going to tell you one more food that is good and bad. Every food is good and bad based on how you like it. See this. Okay, this again, can anybody guess what this is? Can anybody see? Everybody see this actually? I think lights काफी आ रही है. Anybody knows what this is, guys? I'm waiting for your comments. This. No comments? Again, I'll show you. Correct. It is chia seeds. That's right. Chia seeds also have a good and a bad. Okay. ये chia seeds जो है ना, इतनी छोड़ो. If I take 1 spoon of chia seeds and if I put it in a glass of water, or let's say if I put, इसको खाली कर देते हैं. Okay, and इसमें 1 teaspoon chia seeds डालते हैं और इसमें इतना पानी डालते हैं. After 24 hours, if you check, no, there will be hardly any water left. It will become a very gelatinous solid mass of chia seeds. Are chia seeds healthy? Yes. Are they my favorite? Yes. But if you have a lot of chia seeds and if you do not have enough water, they can be detrimental to you because उसकी fiber content बहुत ज़्यादा है. Lot of you complain about constipation, lot of you complain about bloating if you have too much of chia seeds, and that is the time we tell you that reduce the quantity and make sure that you are having lot of water with it. Chia seeds आप बिना पानी के लो ही मत. इंडिया में आई ऑलवेज टेल एवरीबडी सोक योर चिया सीड्स एट लीस्ट फॉर 2-3 आवर्स, और अगर आप ओवरनाइट कर सकते हो ना तो सोक करो 2 घंटा एंड देन फ्रिज में रखो, have it the next day after keeping it out. You will see how much it can expand. So it sticks in your stomach, it sticks in your intestines, causing something which is what you don't want. Chia seeds ko lekar, this tip is something I wanted to give all of you. There is also something I want to talk to you about is oils. आपने बहुत पूछा है which oil to take, which oil is healthy, and किसी ने पूछा है कि peanuts के बारे में क्या. Peanuts are nuts. Nuts equals oil equals fat. So peanuts are healthy, of course. Peanut butter is healthy, of course. But if you want to lose weight, is it healthy? It's high in fat, high in calories. Okay, so if you want to eat peanuts na, fill your chana till here and fill itna sa peanuts and then mix. Make sure that वो peanut ढूंढते ढूंढते सारे ना खा जाओ. Okay, एक कटोरी चना में let's put 7 peanuts. That is the ratio if you want to lose weight. Okay, now oils. Okay, all oils are fine as long as you keep changing them. Does the season give you only one fruit 12 months a year? क्या आप घर में लौकी की ही सब्जी बनाते हो क्या 12 महीने? नहीं ना. Same way, like how your body needs different types of fruits, different types of vegetables, that is the same thing with oils. Okay, we always advise you to change your oils. In winters, I would not mind using mustard oil. I would not mind if you use a bit of groundnut. I don't mind if you use sunflower. Kachi ghani oils are better than refined because उसमें you will have a good amount of nutrition. छोटी क्वांटिटी बाय करो क्योंकि ऑयल खोलते वक्त उसका ऑक्सीडाइजेशन हो जाता है, which is not very good. Okay, so kachi ghani, unfiltered, semi-filtered, those are the oils you keep in the house. Okay, these oils are something that are going to help you, and change your oils frequently. आजकल बहुत सारी न्यूज़ आ रही है सीड ऑयल्स मत यूज़ करो, उसमें इन्फ्लेमेशन है. भाई हम वो यूज़ करते आए हैं एटलीस्ट सिंस द लास्ट 1000 years, एंड तड़का इज अ बिग पार्ट ऑफ आवर डाइट एंड आवर क्यूजीन. सडनली हम लोग ये नहीं बोल सकते ऑल ऑयल्स आर बैड. ओके, वेस्ट में कभी ऑयल्स खाए ही नहीं है बिकॉज दे आर पीपल हु ग्रिल देयर मीट्स एंड दोज दे डोंट हैव अ कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ तड़का. वी हैव अ कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ तड़का. अगेन इट इज अ वेस्टर्न इन्फ्लुएंस ताकि आप लोग उनके प्रोडक्ट्स खरीदो और आपका ना खरीदो. Oils cause damage, yes. How will they cause damage, guys? They will cause damage if you eat lot of deep fried food because उसका smoke point इतना high हो जाता है ना कि वो कैंसर causing चीजें निकालने लगता है, emit करने लगता है. You should not have deep fried foods. ये तो आपको बचपन से सिखाया जाना चाहिए, स्कूल में सिखाया जाना चाहिए. You should have your tadka made in an oil which is absolutely having a higher smoke point. धुआं निकलने से पहले अपना तड़का मार लो. Do not let your oil smoke and use as less oil as possible because all of us are right now not in the best of our shapes, right? हमें weight loss करना ही है. Now घी खाना चाहिए या नहीं? Well, ghee and butter are saturated fats. They are lots of people again started कि घी अच्छा है. हाँ, घी अच्छा है. बट अगर मेरा क्लाइंट शाम को पिज्ज़ा खाना चाहता है, कभी कभी बटर खाना चाहता है, पाव भाजी खाना चाहता है, देन आई विल रिमूव द घी फ्रॉम द रोटी एंड यूज द फैट दैट आई हैव गॉट टू प्लान अ डाइट वेयर ही कैन एटलीस्ट हैव अ पिज्ज़ा समटाइम्स विद दैट चीज. So balancing out your fat, your saturated fat, is something that is more important than the source of these fats. So in a way, we are living in a very practical world and all the diets are going to be very practical is what I would like to tell you. Okay, so please remember all these things. Don't let anybody fool you. Don't let anybody say this is healthy. Healthy does not mean good. What about Italian seasonings? Are they good or bad? Yes, they are all good. You can use chili flakes, you can use oregano, you can use dried thyme, rosemary, all of it. Brilliant things. I think somebody was asking vegan protein and plant-based protein. Again, ये concept is something that is come, out of a lot of selling that is required to be done. अगर आपको regular protein डाइजेस्ट होती है, अगर आपकी रेगुलर प्रोटीन का सोर्स आपको पसंद है, देन प्लीज डोंट गो फॉर प्लांट बेस्ड वेगन, बिकॉज ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि दे आर हेल्दियर, ओके. बट इफ यू आर बाय चॉइस अगेंस्ट एनिमल क्रूअल्टी, आर रिलीजियसली अगर आपको वेगन जाना है, then yes, go for plant proteins, they are also equally healthy and good, okay. ऐसा कोई चीज नहीं है which is sometimes going to say yes and sometimes going to say no, it is as per your body, it is what you need, and please go for personalized plans only. Now, how many of you remember what was your new year resolution in January? Because in less than 3 months 2024 आने वाला है, you still have time, you still can do a lot in terms of your health, you still can transform before 2024. So अगर अभी भी आप सोच रहे हो ना और न्यू ईयर गोल अभी तक नहीं शुरू किया या शुरू किया और छोड़ दिया, अगर आप अपनी हेल्थ के बारे में सीरियस हो तो प्लीज 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 स्टार्ट एवरीथिंग दैट यू वांटेड टू डू राइट अवे. नवरात्रि है, don't worry, we have a plan that will help you in Navratri, and in fact it will be healthier, you will be happier also. Are you worried about Diwali? Well, Diwali तो हर साल आएगी, so अगर आप ये प्लान अभी करोगे ना, with balanced nutrition start कर लोगे, you will get a Diwali eating guide. We also tell you how to tackle Diwali. अगर आप छुट्टियों पे जा रहे हो ना, you will get a holiday guide and you will also get a travel guide. Now नहीं restriction करना है, मत करो restriction, but travel, Diwali, holiday, शादी, all these are going to come into your life every single year. So don't do these bahanas of oh I'm on a travel, oh I'm going to go this, oh इसके बाद करती हूँ, इसके बाद आने ही वाला नहीं है. Okay, for all those who feel that oh my god the diet plans are expensive, or oh my god health food is expensive, oh my god this is expensive, well, keep that iPhone purchase of yours on hold first, and second, imagine how expensive illness will be, right? Pinku, I just explained a lot about diet in your 40s. आप ये वीडियो ना फिर से जब डलेगा तब देख लेना, you will have a lot of knowledge. I think I have answered a lot of questions today. Yes. What I want you to go back and think is about starting a program. Second, you have a lot of goodies waiting for you if you enroll in the BN diet plans now. You have to go to our website or on Instagram, just say hello to us and ask us about the great offers we have going on right now. Okay, our dietitians will be happy to help you. Website का नाम हम comments में अभी डालेंगे, and this is how you will probably have a great 2024. Don't wait, start now. You see how easy it is, because we are not getting any younger. With that thought, I'm going to leave you guys. Oh, for all the clients who are listening to us, today is preferably the last day where you can use your BN wallet and you can get your next program at very, very, very good rates. Contact your mentor and get in touch with all of them. Now I think I should go back to diets and the scheduled calls that I have. Nice talking to all of you. See you very, very soon. Bye-bye.